Who built the ancient Bolivian ruins of Tiwanaku? Tiwanaku was the capital city of the most powerful pre-Hispanic empire and one of the great civilizations of the ancient Americas. Abandoned for nearly 1,000 years, it was rediscovered in 1549. One of the most important precursors of the Inca Empire, the ruins of this very important pre-Columbian archaeological site are located on the Altiplano of Western Bolivia in South America. Tiwanaku, also called Tiahuanaco, has been a mystery for generations because of its peculiar stone technology. It also has fantastic origin theories. By 400 AD, it sprawled over the grasslands of the southern Titicaca basin in the Tiwanaku Valley and was surrounded by eye-catching architectural structures such as palaces, temples, and pyramids, as well as houses, other buildings, and streets. But the question that often comes to mind is, who built these giant structures in this high and cold area with few natural resources, where major crops like cotton, maize, and fruits cannot grow? Who were the original inhabitants that built Tiwanaku and lived there for 1,500 years? And how did their civilization disappear, leaving behind these mysterious structures? Various theories. Begun as a small settlement, Tiwanaku was the primary political power in the Titicaca Basin, AD 500, and continued to grow. Initial research suggests that the city was originally built on the Pacific coast 10,000 years ago. It entered into its most powerful phase in the 8th century AD, when dozens of colonies and villages were established throughout the entire Lake Titicaca area. There's a theory that might well explain how these giant structures were built. The idea is that the Tiwanaku peoples settled colonies in distant regions, many kilometers away from Altiplano, to grow crops and other products not available on the Altiplano. From these colonies, they supervised the construction work. They used ancient techniques to convert the marshy tracts of the lake area into a rich, productive agricultural land. Archaeologists have discovered these fields throughout the Tiwanaku territory, which provided the favorable agricultural base for the Tiwanaku Empire. Archaeologists and visitors have for years wondered how a vast city could have supported itself at this altitude. Whoever they were, the people of Tiwanaku were superb architects in creating their temples and monuments. What's more, though, they may have appeared to have started to build their city thousands of years ago. The carbon dating of these monuments suggests that they're actually less than 2,000 years old. The research is still ongoing, as the Tiwanaku and its inhabitants left no written history. If we could prove the notion that Tiwanaku was built by the modern inhabitants of the Lake Titicaca region, it would be the find of the century.